Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Pearson function. Before we look at the spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. The Pearson function calculates the correlation between two sets of data. To use this function, simply type =Pearson, then select the first set of data, type a comma, and select the second set of data. Let's take a look at how this function works in a spreadsheet. Column A lists a series of test scores for a classroom of students, and column B displays the number of minutes each student studied for the exam. In order to determine the strength of the relationship between these two variables, I can deploy the Pearson function by clicking in cell E3 and typing =Pearson, open parentheses. I'll select column A, type a comma, select column B, type a close parentheses, and hit enter. The correlation between test score and minutes of study is 0.95, a very strong correlation. In this video, I have shown you how to use the Pearson function. For more information about how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.